What is up, everybody? And today we are opening a Venusaur V. Now, I just got this yesterday, but I never opened it. Let's see which cards are in here today. Moment it's stuck. Start. Yeah. Got it. We got a giant Venusaur coin. The moment when the phone falls. And then we also got the placemat, directions, and I think there's a poster. The coin thing for damage. No, and some other thing I have no idea what that is. The code card. If you want the code card, it's right here. And the Venusaur. No. Every single time the phone falls. No. We got the energies. No, we got the Yama. The hops. The Skiro. The Mega. And no, I have no idea who that is. Energy. Go-Goat. Durant. A Yama again. And a lot more of those. No. I have a hard time saying her name. A lot of the same. Heracross. No. Potions and other things. We just got a lot more of these. A lot more trainer cards. No. I like all the designs. Yama's have a little better one, though. The Yamega, too. But overall, no. I gave this starter deck if you guys are looking for this. And we got the Venusaur V. I'm going to put this in plastic. No. I give this one a, 9 out of 10, the maximum. Because it's pretty good for a starter deck for the Venusaur V. Next time we'll be doing a Rapid Strike Urshifu opening for YouTube once it comes in the mail. So, as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace!